gold now, we will check what is the current movement of the gold. Okay, since the gold now is almost completed the cone or the apex of this one, this cone. Okay, this is a cone type for the higher time frame, and we will uh, make some top-down analysis from monthly to weekly. So this is the current uh, price shape, no? So while the higher time frame is forming almost done, completed the cone type, but in the weekly there are the prices slightly elevated on this towards this apex. Okay, so if we will check the daily for the possible Monday guide or a Monday reference. Okay, your Monday reference we will make some this one. So okay, continuously there are higher low and then lower high. Okay, so this is the current structure of the gold on the daily time frame, and then on the this is the trend line as serve as support and the trend line serve as resistance above. So this is the daily of the gold. Since as we have observed that the with regards to the volume, the price is dropping, but the volume is now increasing. So there's a tendency. What will be the next mark next for the gold on Monday? Gold on Monday, if it is upward, we will check what will be the bias for Monday. So Monday, guys, there is some upward movement for the gold, but the momentum is not uh, uh, for the daily. We will check for the daily. For the daily, okay, the daily, the gold still an upward, but the momentum is not ideal to trade. Maybe there is some fluctuation of prices because since, as you observe, this is the highest price of the daily of the gold is one. This is the lowest here. Okay. Okay, we will check on the Monday. We're in the tomorrow morning in the opening of Sydney market session. So this is the possible. This is the strong level of support. We're in on a 4 hours time frame. On a 4 hours time frame, pan opening, what will be the next mark next? It will continue to go higher. We'll check. We'll check. Okay. There are some slight, as we've observed, this current, the last price, we're in the gold. It will, uh, it will slightly move. We'll check. Gold will on upward trend, but 4 hours, on 4 hours, the gold will the bias for the gold is on upward, but there are some corrections that it will drop, but the bias for the day is upward. So maybe this will we will check this will drop until this level here. It will drop until this level here. Wait for 1827 and then bounce back for the possible bullish day on Monday. So if we will check the 4 hours, yeah, this is the structure. If there is the last 4 hours, we're in here, the highest price, and this is the lowest price here. So we will check on 15 minutes on Monday on opening. So this is the possible uh, upon opening, this is possible that the third day of this trading, the Sydney. So we will wait, as I've said, that the whole bias for the Monday daily is on upward momentum, upward. It will reach upward, but it may drop a little bit. Uh, it will drop here, the price will fall, and then set your take profit uh, until here. This one, and then your possible you make stop loss here below this. We will check on the hourly here. If the price will bounce in the 200 EMA, you can put your stop loss few pips here. Risk reward ratio 1:2, maybe 1:2, 1:3, 1:2. Yeah, yeah, this is the yeah. If we drop here, once the price will bounce back, TP below this 200 EMA, and then set your stop loss here. Your take profit here. You can trade on the hourly. Wait for this strong level of resistance to be broken. You will check the whole daily. What will be the potential bias? The potential bias for the daily is still on upward. Okay, so still on upward. Maybe it will reach until here. From here until here, then reposition. Okay, that's all for gold. Slightly on Monday, it will fall prices and then bounce on this strong level of support. Then it will move higher. Then you can make your TP here. 1850.81. Okay, that's for all gold. Under the overall for gold, overall trend still on upward. Okay, still on upward. But yeah, still like here for this month. Okay, so we will wait that it will increase the volume since the price is the volume is still not ideal. Just try to look at on the average. We will wait for a day that it will spark for this month for the remaining of the remaining days for the February or January. So whole January maybe a sort of bullishness maybe until here this level here. Okay, 187.82. You can scalp gold because it is about it is slightly going upward, but as I've said, it's only it's on a short term. It will not. There is that possibility that it will after this month the next position because still the apex is not completed. It will drop until here. It will drop. It may drop until here. Just strong level of support. It will up the level here, then drop. Okay, that is for me. That is the bias for the whole month. Maybe it is slightly bullish, but it will again drop. Okay, that's for the gold. Yeah, this is not the appropriate time to trade gold for the bullish. Okay, because it is like it is still retrenchment. It is not it is a retrenchment leg and not still the next will be the expansion leg dropping. The cone will make maybe some movements like here, like just like it will create this upward prices. It's only retracement, but the bias still higher time frame is on bearish. It will form flag a flag until here. Maybe here that's the time that we can say that it even drop lower. We can say that it's time to. buy gold here. Okay, so we will wait for the next heads up. Okay, that's our for gold.